Hello everyone, welcome to Food Service Mentor. In today's video, we are going to talk about what a hotel minibar is, why hotels provide minibar service, and how minibar service works. Let's begin. What is a hotel minibar? Imagine you have just checked into a hotel after a long journey. You enter your room and notice a small refrigerator or refreshment cabinet. Inside, you may find bottled water, soft drinks, juices, chocolates, snacks, and other selected items. This is called a hotel minibar. A hotel minibar is a small refrigerator or refreshment area placed inside a guest room. It is stocked with selected food and beverage items that guests can purchase and consume during their stay. The minibar is designed to provide guests with quick and convenient access to refreshments without leaving their room. Why do hotels provide minibar service? There are two main reasons hotels provide minibar service: guest convenience and additional revenue. First, it is convenient for the guest. For example, a guest may arrive late at night, feel thirsty, or simply want a snack while relaxing in the room. Instead of going to a restaurant, bar, or outside shop, the guest can simply select an item from the minibar. Second, the minibar is an additional revenue source for the hotel. Every chargeable item consumed by a guest can generate extra income for the hotel. So, minibar service benefits both the guest and the hotel. Minibar restocking, checking, refilling, and billing. Now, let's look at the basic minibar service process. Before the guest arrives, the minibar must be set up completely, correctly, and according to the hotel's SOP. Next is refilling. Any consumed or missing items are replaced according to the hotel's minibar standard and par level. Products should be arranged neatly, with labels facing forward and older stock placed in front. Finally, we have billing. When a guest consumes an item, the item is recorded according to the hotel's procedure. The minibar charge is posted to the guest's room account. Proper checking, refilling, restocking, and billing help maintain minibar accuracy, guest satisfaction, and hotel revenue.